Maverick Indicators here. All right, so we're trading options off the open. I've just loved doing that lately. You guys know I normally trade futures, but I'm trading just one contract on options. So people think you got to trade 10 contracts to make money. I mean, yesterday we did what, $600-700 on just one contract. So whether you're trading crypto, whether you're trading futures, whether you're trading stocks, whether you're trading options, whether you're trading Forex, our indicators work on those charts. Our indicators work on NinJATRADER and TradingView. I'm on TradingView right now. And why am I in this trade? Well, market just opened. Tons of sell signals up here. I mean, just screaming at you to get in. This is pre-market, of course. But why are we in this trade? Well, first things first, I'm taking a little heat. I got in a little bit too early. I should have let the market kind of bounce around a little bit, then get in. No big deal. It is what it is. We have, first thing you notice here is we have hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Pink is your strongest downside candle. Hot pink is your strongest downside candle. The next thing is we had a beautiful sell signal. You had quite a few of them yelling at you like, hey, this thing's going to start pushing down. FYI, right? So we saw that. Bears have been in control since 7:50 this morning pre-market. I mean, bears have been in control. Red background. Let's see, what else? Got an A+ setup to the Maverick for the Maverick radar. A+ setup to the downside. This is the ultimate trading assistant. It's going through our entire checklist of things that we're looking for to take a trade, and it is grading that. And right now we have an A+ setup to the downside on Meta here. 5 traders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 traders. These are algorithms, but think of them as traders. All 5 traders are voting bearish across 6 time frames. 6 time frames are all voting bearish across 6 time frames, except for a couple, but you're getting into the turn of the 5-minute candle, and you guys hear me talk about this all the time. I do not do anything the first minute and the last minute of a 5-minute candle. I believe this is where, market makers come up, they grab stop losses, they take it back down. I don't mess with that, okay? All right, so all 5 traders are voting bearish across 6 time frames. Maverick trender is pegged to the top right here. When this line is pegged to the top, it shows massive strength and momentum. Red to the downside and green to the upside. Okay, so really easy. But what we're looking at, what I want to show you here is the Maverick radar, which is, again, we keep calling it the ultimate trading assistant because it is. It's going through our entire checklist of things that we look for, and it's giving no setup, a B setup, because you want to know when a setup is about to happen, and then an A setup. Okay, and we like to just take A setups. On Fridays, we'll take B setups, or if something's shaping up, we'll jump into a B setup. Pretty cool. So, boy, it's just slow off the open here on Meta. Yeah, see, I should have gotten into Microsoft. Microsoft was way up here, and it just, look, if you see pink, it will most likely sink. Oh my gosh, how did I not get into Microsoft? Look at this thing. I was like, oh, I'll get into Meta. Okay, it's finally coming down, but Meta's moving way slower. I would have already made my money if I was in Microsoft. Microsoft's a great example of this. Look at this weak level. It's probably going to push right through here. This is the Maverick zones. Look at this pushing right through. You got a 60% chance of pushing through this level. 60% chance of pushing through this level. Look at this beast just pushing right through. Unstinking believable. And then you only got a 60% chance of this thing. Yeah, you got a 60%. You only have a 40% chance of it holding its ground. Look at Microsoft just pushing down. Unbelievable. This is the Maverick zones. It's going to be coming out soon. Still in live testing. But you got a 60% chance of pushing right through these levels. I should have been in Microsoft. Oh well. Meta's just moving really slow. That's all. It's just going to take me longer to make my money. So if you see pink, it will most likely sink. A grade to the downside. Now I'm just going to leave this sucker up. and not think about how I should have been in fast-moving Microsoft. The Meta just moves so slow. And we're just going to watch this thing and let it come down. And that's about it. Not much else to do now than a waiting game. You got a long ways to go on the down move. Down confidence arrow. Love that. Watch it push. Watch it push. See that? See how it just pushed down? Look at it pushing because you had a down confidence arrow. These are not buy and sell signals. These are confidence arrows to let you know you are moving in the right direction. All 5 traders are still bearish across 6 time frames. Still got an A+ setup to the downside. So again, I got in. I had a bad entry. I got in too early. I got in right at market open, totally broke my rules. And what happens at market open is you get these big wicks on both sides, and I just got a bad fill. So just a good reminder, every once in a while, you gotta get burned by the oven, and it just reminds you not to touch the stove, right? So got in a little early. So it's gonna take us a minute because we're only in one contract of this. It's gonna take us a minute to kind of get rid of that drawdown. But as long as I have hot pink candles, as long as I'm below the blue line, remember we like to go short when price is below the blue line. This is pre-market, so this is true pre-market because it's stocks. Let's look at yesterday. If you see bright green, it might just fly right off your screen. We like to go long when price is above the blue line, short when price is below it. Long when price is above it, short when price is below it. Okay, so all right, what's Microsoft doing? Look at what I tell you. Just pop through the first level, and now it's popping through the second level. Look at that. Oh man, how did I not get into Microsoft? I just forget. Microsoft moves way faster than Meta. Yeah, it is what it is. So, but look at this. You got a 60% chance of breaking through this level. You had a 60% chance of breaking through that previous level. Just broke right through. This indicator is going to be a game changer for so many of you guys when we come out with it. The Maverick zones. Maverick zones. Unbelievable. Okay. All right. So if you see pink, it will most likely sink. We're finally in the pause. And, you know, you can make money on one contract. We did $600-700 yesterday on just one contract of was it Tesla we traded yesterday, something like that. All right, I don't like this. This is 70% chance likely to hold. So unless we get a big push down, unless we get a big push down. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Okay. So see how it monitors the data tick by tick? It's looking underneath the hood. So right off the bat, it was like, you had a 70% chance of holding. And then what did it do? It went, no, we're seeing a change in data flow, I guess is the easiest way to say it. And it changed its mind. All right. So I'm going to leave this sucker up. And let's watch old man Meta slowly come down. Sheesh Louise. There we go. But I guess I should say, folks, as I sip my coffee, this is clear vision. This is clear vision. This is clear vision. Look at this push. Oh my gosh. Push. Unbelievable. Just awesome. This guy's just slower to move. But all 5 traders are still bearish across 6 time frames. Still have an A+ setup. This is how you stress-free trade. You have clear vision on your charts, clear vision on your charts. All right, another down confidence here. Now we're finally getting a push down. Beautiful. This guy's just moving real slow. Okay, now we're up $72. Beautiful. 75. Come on, push down. I'm curious what. Yeah, Microsoft just keeps pushing down. This would have been, my normal 5 contracts. It would have been $2,000 right there. But we're just playing it small this week. I got a lot on our plate, and I just want some stress-free trading this week. You saw us trade micros yesterday. We passed an eval account yesterday. I guess I can put that email up here so you can see it. That was from. Now we do not endorse any one prop firm. Just want to say that out loud. No affiliation, but did pass this prop firm account yesterday. Yep. So, all right, cool. I'm gonna leave my screen up because this guy is just like old man meta is just moving so dang slow. But still have an A+ set up to the downside, and we'll just watch this thing. And could just creep down all day, could creep down all morning. I don't have a level yet that popped up. We did for a second there, but then it went away. So yeah, anyway, so I'm just gonna leave this up, but this is clear vision. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Red background, bears are in control. All 5 traders are voting bearish across 6 time frames. Maverick trenders pegged to the top. And if for all that, the ultimate trading assistant is monitoring all of that for you and double checking your eyes, and you have an A+ set up to the downside. All right, cool. All right, guys, if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want edge in the market, whether you're trading futures, we trade futures every day, whether you're trading crypto, whether you're trading stocks, whether you're trading options, come check us out. We would love to help you crush it. Not financial advice, do your own research, never a guarantee in any market, but man, we're having so much fun. Let's go. All right, hey, MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.